Hello guys, I am Valentin and today I'm gonna prep for you prawn spaghetti with tomato sauce. For this I'm gonna need the next ingredients: 150 grams of tomato sauce, 150 grams of tiger prawns, 150 grams of spaghetti, 4 cherry tomatoes, 3 cloves of garlics, 1 chili, 8 leaves of basil. If you don't have, you can also use a teaspoon of pesto, 3 tablespoons of white wine, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and 10 grams of parsley, salt and pepper of course. Okay, I'm gonna start first to cook the pasta. For that I'm gonna need salted boiling water, and I'm gonna cook the spaghetti for 7 minutes. Okay, now I'm gonna start cooking it. Olive oil first. Garlic and chili. We're gonna cook the garlic and the chili till the garlic will get a bit of brown color. I'm gonna add the prawns. Very important to don't overcook the prawns. We need to cook them for 2 minutes maximum. We go in with the white wine. We're gonna leave the wine to reduce a little bit, and we're gonna add the tomato sauce. Cherry tomato, salt and pepper, basil, I'm gonna go in with the pasta now. Very important to have all the ingredients next to you. This dish you must make it very fast, so you will not overcook the prawns. At the end we're gonna add the parsley. Now our pasta is ready. This is my final result for our dish today. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys next time.